Okay, so we're doing homework number 2, problem number 2, where we're supposed to graph big f of x equals to the quantity of 1 minus e to the negative alpha x times the unit step function of u to the u of x minus c, okay? So u of x is your step function. U of x minus c is your step function move over to the right by c, right? Simple. So we're graphing both parts and multiplying both parts to get big F of x, and that is what is shown here. On the bottom right here is the quantity of 1 minus e to the negative alpha x. To the right over here is the unit step function, u of x minus c, and then right here is the multiplied graph of both functions with a height of 1 minus e to the negative alpha c, and everything before c is 0 because I mean, if you multiply anything by 0, it's 0. So that makes any sense, okay? Next step, okay, part B, we're going to try to find little f of x, which is the probability density function, and verify it as well. So over here we have, and little f of x is equal to the derivative of big f of x. So basically I just took the derivative using a chain rule. What's the chain rule? Derivative of ab equals to a prime b plus ab prime. As you can see right here. Over here, this segment over here we're going to use for verification a little bit, and on the bottom here we draw a graph of it, which is basically the unit step function is the infinite height at c, almost no width to c, and then begins to drop down with a function of alpha e to negative ax. Yeah. Okay. Take a look at that with the little f of x right there. Okay, all right, so final part, we're trying to see if little f of x is a valid probability density function. And basically it's over here, we use a property of impulse function, which is given over here, h of x, impulse function of x minus times the impulse function of x minus a equals to h of a times the impulse function of x minus a. Essentially, we use that to verify whether or not it is a valid probability density function. And we basically take the integral of little f of x, both parts, from c to infinity. And I worked out everything for you to see here. And as long as the integral of f of x, integral of a impulse function is equal to 1, then it is a valid probability distribution function. And that's it. Thank you.